is our new Roomba that Santa Claus gave us. And I think we might want to give the gift back a little. We keep talking to it like it can hear us. I just want you to clean the carpet. Is that so bad?
This all teaches us an important lesson.
And what is that?
Trust your sources. Remember your sources. Chuck, Karen, really?
Leah.
Really? Leah, really? Really?
Really? It's like a big roach. And we keep talking to it like it can hear us. That was the stupid one.
Roomba, more like Roomba.
Maybe our apartment's too small. I don't know.